Donuts.
Yeah.
It's probably not good for the floor.
Donuts. What are you doing in there, Emerson? More?
Beep beep.
Ah, you got Maya. Vroom vroom. Emerson, what are you doing? Vroom vroom. Are you driving?
You can drive. Push.
Push. I think he only knows how to push backwards.
I don't understand what you're doing.
I think you know exactly what he's trying to
I
say.
don't know. No comprende.
Oh! Emerson, you fell.
You've had an accident. You might as well just keep going. That's one way to exit the vehicle.
You want to keep going? More? Okay, get in your car.
Mommy will push you. Get in.
Okay.
I shut your door.
Go.
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 Go. Keep your feet up.
I got bad daddy on camera.
We had a car accident, but we didn't bump our head.
Well, thank God for that.
Just scared you.
Emerson, say hi to the camera.
Always wear a seatbelt.
Oh.
Just scared you.
Emerson, say hi. Hi. Hi, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Emerson, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? I'm Mama. Where's Maya? Look for her. There's Maya. What does a bear say? That's not what a bear says. Oh, he's mad. Yeah, you hit that car. You take it out. All right. Daddy's gonna get you back in.